Hello children, welcome to our maths class. Today we are doing subtraction problems. Okay, so the chapter is chapter number 2, addition and subtraction of greater number. Now the learning outcome is that you will learn how to solve the story problems using subtraction. Alright, there is a picture, a boy with a lot of marbles in a bowl. Let's find out what happens. Okay. See, there are many marbles. Now let's read the problem first and find out how many marbles are there in the bowl. Alright, it is 684 marbles. And the boy took out 417 marbles from the bowl. How many marbles are left? Let's read the situation. There are 684 marbles in a bowl. Harry took out 417 marbles from the bowl. How many marbles are left in the bowl? Children, when you read such story problems and when you find words like left and the difference, it means you have to subtract. Alright? So we have to see what this information is giving us. They are telling us that we have a number of marbles 684 and number of marbles taken out kitne nikale 417. We know this. Now before writing the sum and solving it, we have to write the statements. So first statement would be like number of marbles, how many? 684. So second statement, number of marbles taken out is 417. And third statement is we have to find out how many numbers of marbles left. So number of marbles left is 684 minus 417. So where left word is coming, you have to do subtraction. So when you write in your notebook, the statements would look like that. All the three statements are necessary to write. So this subtraction sentence is written horizontally. And when we have to solve them, we have to write it vertically. So since this is a 3-digit number, ma'am has written it according to the place values. So that's why I've written ones, tens and hundreds. So first take the ones place. Now what we have to do is minus 7 from 4. But children, here 4 is on top and it is smaller than 7. So can we minus 7 from 4? No. So what do? We borrow. We borrow 110 from tens place. So when we borrow 110 from tens place, that is 8 minus 1, it becomes 7. And that 110 will come to the ones place. So it becomes 14. 10 plus 4, 14. Now we can minus 7 from 14. So what we have to do here is you have to draw 14 lines first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now minus 7 from these 14 lines, strike out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is left and that we are going to write under ones place. Now come to the tens place. Now see, did you notice that the upper digit is bigger than the lower digit? That is 1 minus 7. So we can do this. We don't have to borrow again. 7 minus 1 is 6. Again, you can do very simple calculation by counting on your fingers, or if it is difficult, you can draw lines also. Now that it is done, come to the hundreds place. So upper number is again bigger, upper digit is bigger and the lower digit is smaller. Again we can minus. 6 minus 4 is 2. Very good. So answer is, the difference is 267. So in the last, we are going to write the answer statement as, there are 267 marbles left in the bowl. Now, let's move on to the second example. And there is a boy here. He has got lots of cookies with him. And he wants to distribute them among his friends. So he distributed a few cookies to his friends. And how many are left with him? Now let's read the problem. Harry had 360 cookies. He distributed some cookies to his friends. 210 cookies were left with him. How many cookies were given to his friends? When you read a problem, you are again looking for the words like distributed and left. So when you see these words, that means you have to minus, subtract. So this information we are getting from it, that number of cookies is 360, and after giving few cookies, 210 cookies were left with him. So we know these two numbers. Now what we have to find out is how many cookies were given by him to his friends. Alright, so first statement is number of cookies is 360 and number of cookies left is 210. And the third statement is we have to find out number of cookies given. So that would be 360 minus 210. So when you write in your notebook again, these are very important, children, that you will write the three statements first and then you are going to solve it. See, we are solving it after writing it vertically. So now take the ones place first and you are subtracting from ones place. That is 0 minus 0 is 0 because 0 is nothing. Now we come to the tens place. So here, do we need to borrow? No. Why? Because the upper digit at the tens place is bigger and the lower digit is smaller. So we can minus 1 from 6. So that is when we minus 1 from 6, we get 5. And then we come to the hundreds place. Again, no need to borrow. The upper number is, because we cannot borrow in the last hundreds place, because upper number has to be bigger always. So upper digit is bigger and the lower digit is smaller. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So 150 is the difference. So what answer are you going to write? 150 cookies were given to his friends. So with that, we end this video, and please practice these sums. Try reading them, try understanding the meaning of these word problems, and practice more so that you can get better. Thank you.